The project got started from a personal experience. By the end of the summer 2012, we decided to change the sofa to get the right one. So my wife and I, we went into shops, on websites, and we looked for hundreds of models. There was nothing perfect until we find the right sofa, the one that we really wanted. We bought it and then we moved in, and when the sofa got delivered, obviously we had this very bad surprise that it was too big by something like 5 centimeters. It was a really big disappointment, and I thought at this time, with all the technology that is available, how is it possible that it's still so hard to find the right piece of furniture? So that's how the project got started.
Stefan told me about his project. It was back at the end of 2012, and I immediately felt connected to it. I'm an engineer. I studied in Supélec, which is a leading French engineering school, and so I immediately thought about the potential of such a project which could really change the manufacturing and the home design industry. So I wanted to be part of it.
So the concept was to have a mobile application, to have an interactive catalog, to explore, navigate in the catalog and discover new ideas. And when I find a product that interests me, then I could try out it virtually in my home directly at scale 1. That was the idea. So to have a look at what it would really look like in my living room, not in a shop, but in my home. That's what matters. And if I'm not completely satisfied, I could change the color and see the result immediately, just at a fingertip. And if I want to buy the product because I'm satisfied, then it should be really easy, just at a click of a button.
This is a very ambitious project. We built a strong team around us, composed of several people.
We know our solutions can be very useful for professionals, so manufacturers and retailers in the home design industry. We know that tools like printed catalogs or sales in shops are less efficient than they used to be. So there is a need to renew this experience in shops or the customer route. Because nowadays people, they start from a website with our 3D web configurator, and then they can go to a shop and discuss with the salesman about the product they saw on the website. And then if they are not completely decided, they can try out the product directly on their mobile application at home. So they have like this a very smooth experience between the web, the shop, and the mobile application. We want to deploy this kind of products so that users like me never have this problem of items that don't fit in their room, again, like my sofa.